Hello students, how are you? Welcome in your favorite channel C Classes by Budweiser. Students, today I am going to tell you the steps of study. Actually, so many students ask me in everyday life, sir, how to study because syllabus is too much vast. Different kinds of subjects are there. For example, for language, how to study, for maths, how to study, for SST, for science, how to study. So for that one today, I am going to prepare this video for you. If you observe this video carefully, if you just remember this video carefully and follow this video carefully, then it will be easy to you to get good marks into the exam. Students, generally, so many students are aware about the study, but they have a one lacuna, they have a one drawback, and that drawback is that they are not going properly. That means they are not following the timetable. Okay, if you are going to follow the timetable daily and in which you are following the given steps, you may see on your screen, these are the steps. Which one? Here: reading, learning, reciting, practice, and evaluation. Generally, these are the main five mantras, or we can say that steps for remembering and getting the good marks in exam. So let's see next exercise. That means next slide. First of all, first point is reading. So one by one we will explain every point. Here, reading. Students, you read the language notebooks, books, then also SST, then also the your science or English, whatever. Okay, but that reading should be proper. Proper means what? At the time of the reading, you have to do the proper concentration. That means आपका concentration reading के वक्त बहुत ज़रूरी है. If you have no concentration, so that reading has no meaning. So that's why always remember, read with concentration. Now second step is reading should be proper. Means what? आप जो रीड कर रहे हैं वो प्रॉपर है चाहिए, यानी इट विल बी इन योर माइंड. Okay, and you should sit alone in your separate room or in a peaceful atmosphere. So and that atmosphere must be a fresh and healthy. Okay, that's why you have to choose the early in the morning time. Okay, अगर आप जल्दी उठोगे और स्टडी करोगे, सो उस सिचुएशन का आपको फ़ायदा होगा. वाई? Because that reading should be proper at that time, as there is no disturbance into the atmosphere or in surrounding. So just wake up early in the morning and read the required part of the, you can say that, the SST or whatever that subjects or language. Next one is that reading should be with full concentration. Again I am to repeating this point here, with concentration, and here I am going to tell you that full concentration. Difference is that when you will start the reading, that time first 5 minutes your attention will be not there. Okay, it's actual mind addiction of us. Why? When you sit for a particular purpose, for example study or whatever homework, so first 5 to 10 minutes are not, that means your mind is not doing the full concentration work. So after 5 to 10 minutes, when you are going to a one study phase, that time there should be require of the full, we can say that, concentration. So just 1 minute. So your concentration should be full. That's why I repeat this point. Now next one is that learning. After reading, the further part is learning. Now listen, when you read your textbook with proper attention, after that one learn that concept deeply. Now deeply means what? You have to take the knowledge about that particular point, okay, deeply. आपको उसका brief knowledge लेना है, okay. Second one is that think about the main aim of the concept. That means what is the main goal of that concept. For example, if there is a Newton's law, so you have to just remember what that Newton is going to say you, which formula he is sharing with you, how to write in exam that formula, how to apply for example. So that will be for the, that means we should know the aim of the concept. Next one, learn that concept. Then if any doubt in your mind, so then take the help of your teacher also, okay, again. So that one word is your teacher, okay. After that one we will discuss next slide, that is the recycling. रिसाइकल मीन्स आपको वो बार बार क्या करना है, रिसाइट करना है. वाई रे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you learn the tables of mathematics, okay, so many problem just visit me and tell me that sir, I have a problem into the mathematics. So which one? So they are saying that I know the table up to 20 only, okay, in which also 19 table I don't know. And I read and by heard that into the summer vacation or into the Diwali vacation. So what is the main problem of that such a students? Actually their main problem is that they are not recycling the concept. Listen, but students, आपको हर एक कॉन्सेप्ट वीकली एटलीस्ट रिसाइट करनी पड़ेगी. आप अगर रिसाइट करोगे तो ही वह कंसेप्ट आपके दिमाग में फिक्स रहेगी. रिसाइटिंग मीन्स यू हैव टू जस्ट इवेल्यूएट योर सेल्फ. देन जस्ट रेज द कॉन्सेप्ट इन योर माइंड एंड ब्रेन रिगार्डिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट, ओके. आपको आपके दिमाग में वो कॉन्सेप्ट फिक्स करनी है एंड देन यू हैव टू रिमेमोराइज इट, okay. And recycling and the, we can say that the practice, last step is that in case of the mathematics, practice makes man perfect, okay. Other subjects are of, we can say that the of reading, 40 to 60% part is devoted for the reading and other part is of the skill in the language and assistant science. But in case of the maths, the practice word is very essential. If you are doing the practice properly, that means you are solving each and every example, okay, so you will get the good marks into the exam. And don't take lightly or casually to the exams, okay. क्या होता है, कभी कभार बच्चे बोलते हैं MCQ आसान है, 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आसान है, सो वाई वी आर वेस्टिंग द टाइम ऑन इट, ओके. होता है ऐसा. सो from my side I am going to tell you that don't take lightly to each and every example, though it may be the simple or hard. You have to solve each and every example, and not each and every example, you have to solve that example for how many times, 2 to 3 times. That means don't be satisfied of your work up to the command, okay. What I am saying that you have to take the command on it. अगर आपको माइंड में ऐसा लग रहा है कि उस पर, उस एग्ज़ाम्पल पे मेरी कमांड आ चुकी है, तब आप रुक सकते हो. लेकिन अगर आपको लग रहा है कुछ तो मुझे ये एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आएगा, सो बार बार आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ओके. सो दैट्स वाई लास्ट पॉइंट आई टोल्ड यू दैट डू द प्रैक्टिस टिल you will take the command on it. Command means what? Command in the sense that, for example, language is there, so in language section wise, that grammar section, writing skill, prose, poetry, so in that language you have to take the command. That means after, by doing the practice again and again and asking to your respective teachers from your tuition or from your schools, okay. When your mind will think that now I am perfect and I am able to solve that all questions from prose, poetry section A, B, C, D, whatever literature part or your grammar part, so that time you have to do the next steps, okay. For example, in mathematics I already told you practice makes man perfect, so just follow that and do the practice of each and every example 2 to 3 times. Definitely the success is waiting for you, okay. And in case of the assistant science, if science is there, and organic reactions are there, so you have to write that all reactions in a notebook. Okay, you may use the chart paper. On that chart paper, in case of mathematics, you have to write the square root table and paste it into the study room and just look that one every day. Okay, same way in case of the science, write all the reaction paste to the your that mean wall of your that study room, and daily while going from one place to other place in your house, just look towards that chart. So what will happen, it gives you good marks or the better marks in exam. Why? Because for example, square of 8, what is the square of 8? 64. If a dull person don't know the square of 8 and he just doing and passing near of the chart and reading that chart, okay, in mind, so definitely he will write the square of the 8 also, okay, in exam. So that's why I am telling you that do the practice and take a command on it. So I hope you understood this video. Okay, if you like it, then subscribe my channel Sri Classes by Badwe sir. Okay, today we discuss the that how to study, which are the steps of the study. Because rather than that, we can say that the knowledge, that means textual knowledge, if you know the knowledge of steps of study, that means आपको स्टडी कैसा करना है इसका नॉलेज होगा, तो आप वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर सकते हैं. ओके, इसलिए मैंने वीडियो प्रिपेयर किया है और मैंने यूट्यूब पे चैनल पे डाला है. सो कमेंट में आप आपकी राय लिखो, देन सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और इस मुफ्त क्लास का एडवांटेज लो. सो टेक केयर, गुड बाय, बाय बाय.